To speak English like a professional, there are several essential aspects to consider, beyond just understanding grammar and vocabulary. This expanded guide offers a deeper dive into advanced techniques, strategies, and tips to elevate your English speaking skills to a professional level. While basic grammar and vocabulary are foundational, mastering advanced grammar and expanding your vocabulary are crucial for sounding like a pro. Focus on complex grammatical structures, such as conditional sentences, passive voice, and complex sentence forms. For instance, mastering the use of conditionals like if I had known, I would have acted differently, or had I known, I would have acted differently can make your speech more sophisticated. Similarly, delve into advanced vocabulary by learning words that are not just precise but also nuanced. Use resources such as thesauruses, advanced vocabulary lists, and academic texts to discover and practice new words. Incorporate these words into your daily conversations and writings to make them part of your active vocabulary. For example, instead of using the word good, you might use excellent, superb, or exceptional depending on the context. Professional communication is not just about using correct grammar and sophisticated vocabulary. It also involves mastering the art of persuasion, negotiation, and presentation. These skills are particularly important in business and formal settings. To improve these areas, consider the following. Persuasion techniques involve learning how to present arguments logically and convincingly. This includes structuring your arguments clearly, using evidence to support your points, and addressing counter-arguments effectively. Practice by writing essays or participating in debates on various topics. Effective negotiation involves active listening, empathy, and finding mutually beneficial solutions. Engage in role-playing exercises where you practice negotiating deals or resolving conflicts. Focus on how you articulate your needs while considering the other party's perspective. Being able to present your ideas clearly and confidently is crucial. Practice public speaking by giving presentations on various topics. Work on organizing your content logically, using visual aids effectively, and maintaining engaging body language. Achieving a high level of fluency requires immersion and regular practice. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible to facilitate this process. Actively seek opportunities to converse with native English speakers. This could be through language exchange programs, joining English speaking clubs, or participating in professional networks. Engaging in conversations with native speakers helps you become accustomed to natural speech patterns, colloquialisms, and accents. If possible, spend time in an English-speaking country. Immersive experiences, such as studying or working abroad, can accelerate your learning process by forcing you to use English in real-life situations. Alternatively, simulate immersion by consuming media in English, such as news broadcasts, podcasts, and films. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice speaking English. This could involve practicing speaking exercises, participating in discussion groups, or rehearsing speeches. Consistency is key to maintaining and improving your language skills. Perfecting your pronunciation and accent is crucial for sounding professional and ensuring clarity in communication. Start by focusing on the following areas. Understanding the phonetic symbols and practicing correct pronunciation is essential. Use resources such as pronunciation guides, language learning apps, and phonetic charts. Pay attention to intonation patterns, as these can affect the meaning and naturalness of your speech. If you have a strong accent that affects clarity, consider working with a speech coach or using accent reduction tools. These resources can help you modify specific pronunciation habits and adopt a more neutral accent if desired. Regularly practice speaking aloud, paying close attention to your pronunciation and accent. Record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers to identify areas for improvement. Effective communication also involves being a good listener. To improve your listening skills, practice active listening by focusing on the speaker, avoiding distractions, and responding thoughtfully. Techniques such as paraphrasing what you've heard and asking clarifying questions can improve comprehension and engagement. Familiarize yourself with different English accents and dialects by listening to diverse sources, such as international news channels, podcasts, and interviews. This exposure helps you understand and adapt to different speaking styles and pronunciations. Participate in exercises designed to improve listening skills, such as listening to audio recordings and answering questions about the content. This practice helps enhance your ability to follow complex narratives and understand nuanced information. In the digital age, numerous tools and resources are available to support your language learning. Make use of the following. Utilize apps like Babbel, Rosetta Stone, or Memrise for interactive language practice. These apps offer exercises and feedback to help you improve vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Enroll in online courses that focus on advanced English language skills, such as business communication, advanced grammar, or public speaking. Many platforms offer courses with interactive elements and expert feedback. Use language exchange platforms to connect with native English speakers who are learning your native language. These platforms facilitate reciprocal language practice and provide opportunities for real-life conversation. Understanding the cultural context of language use is essential for professional communication. Enhance your cultural competence by studying the cultural norms and practices of English-speaking countries. This includes understanding business etiquette, social customs, and communication styles. Awareness of cultural differences helps you navigate conversations and interactions more effectively. Engaging in cultural activities related to English-speaking countries, such as attending events, festivals, or local gatherings. Immersion in cultural experiences provides insights into language use and societal values. Developing relationships with individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. These interactions offer opportunities to practice language skills and gain a deeper understanding of cultural nuances. Overcoming challenges in language learning is crucial for progress. Common challenges include embracing mistakes as part of the learning process. Recognize that errors provide valuable feedback and opportunities for improvement. Practice speaking confidently, knowing that mistakes are a natural part of language acquisition. If you feel stuck in your language learning progress, try varying your practice methods, explore new topics, engage in different types of exercises, or seek feedback from language experts to reignite your progress. Address language anxiety by building confidence through gradual exposure. Start with smaller, less intimidating speaking opportunities and gradually work your way up to more challenging situations. To achieve and maintain proficiency, establish a consistent and effective learning routine. Define specific, measurable, and achievable language learning goals. Whether it's mastering a particular grammatical structure or improving pronunciation, having clear goals helps maintain focus and motivation. Develop a study plan that includes a mix of activities, such as reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises. Allocate regular time for each activity and track your progress to ensure balanced development. Language learning is an ongoing process. Continuously seek opportunities to refine your skills, whether through advanced courses, professional development, or real-world practice. By focusing on these advanced strategies and insights, you can further refine your English speaking skills and achieve a high level of proficiency. Mastery of nuanced language use, professional communication, cross-cultural interactions, and leveraging technology will help you communicate effectively and confidently in any professional setting.